Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding Bluej's configuration file, not the GUI settings. Navigate to the Bluej install folder or your user home. Bluej directory, look for Bluej. Properties or Bluej. Defs. Once found, make a backup copy so you can always revert. Close Bluej first, changes won't reliably take if the app is running. This step gives you the single, effective control point for font settings, so pause here and confirm file permissions before you edit. Now edit that file, open it in a plain text editor with the permissions needed to save. Search for keys such as editor, font, size GUI, font, size or text area. Font size, Bluej variants exist, so check similar names. Change the numeric value to the point size you want, for example 14 or 16. Save the file with the original encoding. Once done, double-check you did not alter other lines. Small syntax errors can stop Bluej from reading the file correctly. Finish by restarting Bluej so it reloads that configuration file, then open a code editor window to verify the font size has changed. If you see no change, restore your backup and reopen the file. Make sure you edited the correct file in the active Bluej folder and spelled the key exactly. Also ensure Bluej was fully closed when saving. As a troubleshooting tip, file permissions often block saves, so run your editor with elevated rights or move the file to a writable location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.